Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share with you that we built a CATIO for our cat, Gopher. And when I say we, I mostly mean my husband, but it's all good. Anyone can build it. It comes in a kit. It's super easy. We got this one particularly on Amazon. It gives your cat an opportunity to experience the outdoors while being totally safe from any kind of predators like fishers, coyotes, and foxes. We put it a little bit high up and it's super lightweight. Like you can have it contained in your own backyard or you can have it on the side of your house like we have, and this totally beats his boredom. Like, I don't know about you, but I wouldn't want to be stuck inside all day seeing life pass me by through a window. Now he gets to experience the sunshine, the birds, the smells, and this really tires him out. I know that he just loves it. He's really enjoying it. There are two ways that your cat can go inside this. You can either open up your window, and it doesn't matter if your window opens up this way or if it opens up that way. You just pop the screen off and you just position it in front of your window however you like. This bench here is movable. You can put your cat through the window or you can put him through on the side. There's two latches. Those are really awesome options to get your cat inside. And I think this thing can hold like 100 pounds. So you could put like 3 or 4 cats in here, and it's gonna drain his energy just by being outdoors and enjoying the sunshine and the people and just everything. This can really provide that kind of exercise that your cat needs to get out of that boredom funk. So no, your cat cannot escape from this, but I will say make sure you have the latches completely closed. And again, you want to supervise them at all times while they're in here. You don't just want to leave them alone. You always want to make sure they have water, there's some kind of shade and whatnot. But this is totally enclosed. It's totally safe. So I'm not worried that he's going to escape at all. Again, we put ours higher up so that any kind of foxes, coyotes, and predators are not able to reach him. And I love that he gets the best of both worlds. He gets to enjoy the outside and the inside. It's so sad when there's so many stray cats out there that get injured by cars or get eaten by predators or just get lost. Having a CATIO is the best way to have your cat be outside and be safe at the same time. He is totally enjoying it. This bench here is movable. You can position it any way you like. It has a roof here, so any kind of snow, rain, whatnot. But again, I'm not really gonna have him out here when it's snowing. I'm just gonna have him out here probably in the summer or the fall, maybe at nighttime when it's a little bit cooler out. I don't want him getting exposure to the sun too much and getting heat stroke or anything like that. So you can put a little bottle of or bowl of water in here as well if you like for your cat. This only took about an hour to build and it's super easy. It came with all of the tools and screws that you need, like an Allen key. And like I said, we built this like in one night just after dinner, and it was so easy to build. Only took about an hour. It does take 2 people because you want to position it onto your house. It's actually insanely lightweight. So if I can do it, you can do it. So at first he's a little bit anxious, but I know that over time he's going to end up absolutely loving this CATIO. He's going to make so many bird friends out here, and I just love that it's going to help him live his best life, and I feel at peace because I know that he's totally safe in it. So all in all, do I think you should get a CATIO for your cat? Absolutely, but always make sure that you supervise your cat. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys the next time. Bye!